I will make you a sunset view. I will make it so you get it on too. With your arms and whoa.
Hi guys, it's Dana and welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while since I filmed, but I'm back today with the dorm room tour. So I've been really wanting to do this video, and yesterday I deep cleaned my room so it'll be nice and pretty. So I'm just gonna show everything. I got really lucky. I'm gonna turn the lights on. Got really lucky, and yeah, let's just get into it. So when you walk in, this is what you see. I got really lucky and got a handicap room, so that's why I don't have carpet. But when you walk in, to the right is our bathroom, and it's really big. So yeah, it came with 2 hooks in here, and it has this really gigantic mirror, so it's nice. And the shower is so roomy. I took a shower this morning, so that's why there's a lot of water. Our drainage is terrible. This is literally here all day long. If me or my roommate takes a shower, it's literally horrible. But yeah, I just keep this is mine. I keep this basket holder thing in here just because throughout the day, just because in the morning I come back and forth into my dorm and it's just nice to freshen up. So yeah, that's that. And then here we put this rod right here so we can hang our wet towels, but none of us do that, so that's nice. And then here's our broom so we can sweep and stuff. And that's my roommate's trash. This is her closet. This one's mine, and it looks a little messy, but I just came back and I was in a rush this morning. This huge ass mirror came with the room, and I was shook, and I bought a mirror so I can put on the back of the door, but I can't hang it because of this thing. And then we have 2 peepholes, so it's it just covers both of them, and then the hooks that you put on top wouldn't close with that being up there. A really nice feature to this room is that because it's handicapped, you can push this button and then the door opens, which I'm not going to do because there's people out there and I don't want to just film random people. This is my roommate's desk. This is just a quick little overview. Really roomy. So yeah, I'm not going to explain her stuff, but this is the mirror that I bought. I take a lot of pictures in here, so I just hung it up here because this wall is huge and super empty. So I figured it would be nice to just have something there, and it's right next to our desk, so it's nice. I moved my desk against the window just because I like facing a window, so I think it's really nice. So yeah, here's my desk. There's not really much to it. I stay really organized, and I like to have a calendar and put a lot of dates on there, and then that's just a little quote so I can do my shit. And then on that whiteboard I just write that things that I need to do that I don't want to write out in my planner. Yeah, so ignore the pumpkin. It's been there since October and it's still going strong, but whatever. So down here I have my printer, some colored pencils and markers and stuff, and some scissors. And then underneath I have my recycle bin, and then just some trash bags so I can just refill my 2 trash cans. And here it's a little messy, but down here I have my lab supplies that I'm going to bring to lab next week because that's when our labs actually start. And then in the back that is a box full of memories that I have from letters that Clayton sent me and all these notes that he gave me. And then up here I just keep a ton of school supplies. So these are my books for the semester, calculator, my chem notebook, a few binders that I'm going to be using for math and stuff. And then in this drawer, yeah, it's really just a mess. I gotta keep my beats in here. This is a little notebook that I just write things down and ideas in. And then a coloring book for when I get bored. And then this is just more school supplies and more art stuff. I like to bullet journal, so I have all this, and it also comes in handy for projects and stuff. Here's my cat card. Over here I just hang my necklaces. This is an elephant my mom got me for my graduation present. It's good luck. I love elephants, which you'll see. This box I got from Target, and it's a jewelry organizer. It holds everything like super well. I keep all my rings, earrings, and then bracelets and watches in there. So yeah, I really like this. And then right here is like my makeup area thing. So I keep all my makeup in there. All my brushes in the James Charles brush case set thing. Here is a Vanity Impressions trifold mirror. And then this is more brushes and stuff that I got for Christmas. Some eyelashes that I wore yesterday. My box of beauty blenders that I have so many of. This is from my purse that I forgot to put in my backpack. But something cool is underneath all of this, I have all my plane tickets from last semester. Like, this is all from last semester. This is how many times I left last semester. It was insane. So I thought it was cool because a lot of them was visiting family and friends and stuff. So yeah, in here I just keep all my like sprays, my fan, my fan, my makeup wipes. I have so many. And then my Disney ears for some reason. And then I have more like cleaning stuff, like stuff I used to clean my brushes, like this. There's a spray, and then baby shampoo. I use baby shampoo sometimes, but then I got that shampoo to actually clean your brushes for Christmas. This is my eyelash drawer. Everyone thinks I'm crazy because I have so many eyelashes and I keep saying that I need more. But like, hello, they're so pretty. I have a very big mix. Obviously there's only one in here, which I don't know why. But yeah, there's a ton of eyelashes. I'm gonna put this one in here. So that's in that drawer. In here I have all my makeup that isn't like everyday use, but I don't even wear makeup every day. So here I keep like all my palettes. I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes and then a few like face palettes, like this one, the Glow Kit, the Olivia Jade palette. And then I just have some foundations that aren't my like everyday go-to. So yeah. So in here I keep all my hair supplies and stuff, like my brushes, scrunchies, hair ties, bobby pins, clip backs, brushes, and I already said that. But I don't keep a lot of products because I recently just got my hair super healthy again and it was extremely damaged. So I only use dry shampoo and leave-in conditioner when I like really have to, and then hairspray my hair when I curl it. And then down here I have like nail stuff and then tampons and some razors. So yeah, that's everything that's in these drawers. And then moving over here, just keep my laundry basket right there. And then this is from Target. In this basket, I just keep like perfumes, deodorant, obviously my Twix thing. I don't know why I keep that there. But this is my medicine side, my daily vitamins, nasal spray, ibuprofen. And then down here is just like a fun little area. I keep white clothespins because that's what I use to hang up my Polaroids on my lights. And then here I have books, and that was a vase that Clayton sent me with flowers and stuff. And then this is all my dirty dishes, which I need to wash. And then over here, I keep all my like chargers and just gum. And that bag is like super big, as you can see. So it keeps all of my chargers and stuff. And then on top, Clayton got me this for our 2-year anniversary. So I just keep that there. And then this elephant, which I got from Ross. I'll turn the lights on. I turn these on at night so they light up, and there's like when the lights turn off, this is the only source of light, and then my roommate has her lights on her side too. So yeah, that's nice. Thing really special. As you can tell, I love elephants. This is from Clayton's sister from Christmas, and then I got that at some thing that was on campus, like some vendors. And then I'm not gonna go in my drawers just because they're like not super clean. But this is like, in here I keep workout stuff. In here I keep just like t-shirts that I don't want to hang up, and then like sleeping shirts. And then in here is like jeans, shorts, and sweatpants. And then moving along, I'm gonna stay with the clothes. I keep like underwears and bras in there, sports bras in there, and then socks in there. And then I have a lot of food, so I keep food in here, and like more boxed food, if that makes any sense, in here. And then back I have more like food and stuff. These are just boxes I'm keeping, so when I move out I can just use it. I travel a lot, so my suitcase is right there. And then in this big yellow black bin is what I use to move in and out as well, except right now I had like 5 cases of water bottles, so I put it in there. So yeah, that's in there. There's my trash can, obviously, and then my microwave, fridge, these little Polaroid things from Urban Outfitters. I'm not going to show you inside my fridge because that's kind of weird. So yeah, that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Send me video requests because I literally like don't know what to film, and I'm also like very busy, so it's hard to film and hard to film when you don't know what to do. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, like, subscribe, all that stupid YouTuber shit. I will see you guys soon. Look out for, I'm gonna be vlogging soon. I'm gonna be vlogging when my cheer team goes to Anaheim in about a month. But yeah, if you guys want to see like a week in my life, like college edition, like I'll do that too, because I am very busy and it will be extremely entertaining because I'm always doing something. So yeah, bye guys. I hope you like this video.
Sometimes you gotta love somebody from afar. Baby, it ain't cute when you fuck with my heart. Too many things in the way you're the truth.